Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to create a new document on the Google Docs application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then click on this plus icon down below in the right side corner and then tap on the new document icon. Now you should add a title to your document. After typing in, press the button create down below. So now your document has been created. All you have to do is typing in whatever you want to. You can use several options. You can italicize your writing, you can make it underline, or you can highlight your text. You should select the color and then you can use your highlighter. As you can see, if you tap on this button down below, you will be able to add like check mark boxes so that you can even create to-do lists. And then if you are done with anything from your list, just tap on this box, thereby putting a check mark into it. Then you are ready to use these other functions here. Yes, so you can undo what you have added to your text by tapping on this arrow button at the top of the screen. So you can edit your text by using these functions. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing and see you in the next video. Bye bye.